Now let's see some gate questions. Okay, so this is a question. This is a question asked in 1989, way back, but the question is good. So, worst hashing function with linear probing. What's number of comparisons required when a symbol is searched which is not present? Okay, not in table. So this is very important part. And this question, this was given in question, this diagram. Okay, so these are S1 to S7. Some symbols are already present in our hash table. We have to find one. So worst case scenario, there this is asked. So in already these are present, the worst case number of comparisons are to be find out. So here S1, S4, S2, S5, S6, S3, S7, these are all present. So we have to find out the worst case number of search which is not present. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so 5 is the worst case. So here, because these are this has asked that which is not in present. So if you have like just insert, it would have been like 4, because this is empty space and you can insert in an empty space, but here it is asked that it is not in the table, so it will be 5. So this is our next question on hashing. 25 slots, 2000 elements, the load factor. So you know that load factor alpha, its formula we have already done. Number of elements, which is n, we had taken previously, by number of slots, which is m. So here number of elements is 2000 and number of slots is 25, so it will be 8. So 8 will be our answer. It was a NAT questions, means we have to put the value, no negative marking was there. Let me check, let's solve. So yes, it's a NAT question. So I'm so sorry, this is 80. Okay, 25, 80, sorry. So 80 is the answer, you have to put 80. So now our next question is, this was asked in GATE 2020, NAT question, numerical answer type question. You have to find, you have to put the answer. This is really interesting question. Let's see the question. So I will tell you how to do it. I have just taken the whole question here. Just I will read it out, then I will do the answer. Consider a double hashing scheme in which the primary hash function, remember double hashing, we had 2 hashing functions. So when there is a collision, we go for the second hashing function. So h1, this is our first hashing function, k mod 23. And our secondary hash function h2k is 1 plus k mod 19, 1 plus k mod 19. Assume that the total table size is given 23. The last address returned by probe sequence, assume that the probe sequence begins at 0. So 0 to assume that the table size is 23, then last address returned by probe sequence, assume that the probe sequence begins at probe 0 for key value k is equals to 90. So this is given, k is equals to 90. The key value here k is 90. Okay, so now we have, what we have to do is, first hash function h1k, which is 90 mod 23. So I am not good with calculation, so I have done the question already. So it is with the help of virtual calculator I have done, not virtual calculator, with the help of my calculator which is found online. So I have done, this is 21. Okay, so now this h2 will be k of 1 plus k, 1 plus k mod of 19. So here now 1 plus 90, key was 90, right? 90 mod 19, whatever it is coming. Let's see, the answer is 1 plus 14 is equals to 15. So now 21, this is coming 21, this is coming 15. Okay, so 21 plus 15 mod 23, this is coming as 13. So mod function, you don't have to worry because this is already present in virtual calculator. You just put it mod of that number, you will get the answer. So our answer is 13. So double hashing, no need to worry. This is a very interesting question, so that I have taken it out. So with this, I am almost at the end of data structures. I think I have done almost every topic. So if I think I haven't done file structures because it is not asked generally, I will do that. First let me do the important things, then I will do all the rest which are not covered. So hopefully you will watch those videos. You will watch, already I have uploaded almost more than 100 videos. So I hope you love the videos, because after doing the videos, please solve questions, because that will make you feasible with question, how to deal with question, how to perform under pressure, everything. And please start test series. Okay, so it is May, you have exactly 9 months for GATE 22. Okay, so you have exactly 9 months. Please put your all effort here and solving, watching videos or watching YouTube videos. I am not suggesting my videos, but if you have taken any course, everything is online, right? Online course, or if you are self-studying, please watch videos or solve questions, or like you are reading from some textbooks. So do that, then move on to PYQs. Do that very, like if you have a book, do cover to cover, not memorize, but to get a grip of questions, what kind of questions are generally asked in GATE. That is very important, very important. And then start with test series. See, MedEasy, I have yesterday only checked, MedEasy have already started their test series from 10th April. So please do this. And if you take 2 years test series, you will be available, you will have availability of 2021 GATE test series, that is available for all subjects. Now 2022 test series, I think there are 10th April to 10th May, only few tests are available. But if you are studying some other subject, you can always take 2021 test series. And I think applied roots will start their test from 7th June. So now complete MedEasy test, and others, I think Ravi Sir's test series, RBR. If you are registered at Unacademy, you can only take his test series, but if you are a previous year student, I don't think you will have access to test series if you don't register for his full course. So I don't know, you have to ask him that. I am not sure about that. I just saw one of his videos that you have to take the full course. If you have taken the course previously, I think you will not able to get the test series. So this is all. I have seen Solutions Adda, which is also Ravi Sir's only test. This is actually a site. Okay, Solutions Adda is basically Ravi Sir's site, where you will also find not only GATE question, there are like everything. It's like a it will like mine of everything. You have different kind of PSU questions, everything is there. So they have the test series for NILT and etc. So they have GATE test series. I was checking their website, but I don't know about this is Ravi Sir's test or not. You have to drop him a mail about that if you are if you want to have Ravi Sir's test. So with Unacademy, if you don't take his full course, you will not be available with the test series only. So you please, about Ravi Sir's test, do mail him. And about May Disease test, I have already seen their website. I have checked. It has started from 10th April. I will suggest you to take 2 years test series, so you will have more questions and you will be available with already there are all last year's whole test series is there. So like if you are studying some other subject which is not covered in test series yet, you can directly go and take the test series. So all this I am telling you that topic wise test. Okay, like I have already did data structures full. So like we have started with C, then recursion, tree, stack, queue, linked list. So what I suggest is, please learn a topic, do the PYQs and move on to test series. So in this way complete a subject. So if you are like if you are able to do 2 subjects parallelly, morning one subject, evening one subject, then it's okay, you do parallelly. But like I did, I used to, like I am making videos only one subject at once only, after that I will make other subjects. So I used to do like this. So I will suggest you, I made a lot of mistakes during my time, so that's why I am suggesting you repeatedly, do take the test series properly, because it will give you the edge and it will be the pillar of how you are performing. See, even if you get like 2 out of 25 marks, so all these topic wise tests will be 25. So even if you get 2 marks out of 25, even if your rank is at the last, it doesn't matter, because you are learning here, you are not like earning marks here, you are learning. So out of 17 questions, Made Easy test series they have 17 questions I remember, but other I have forgotten. So 17 questions, even if you are able to answer like 2 questions correctly, so you should be happy that 15 questions are which you don't know and you should learn from them. So if you are out of like so out of like 17 questions, even if you are you have solved 2 correctly, 2 questions, and you are left with 15 questions which you haven't done correctly, or you don't know the concept or anything, sorry, so you should be happy that you will learn these 15 questions and you will never make a mistake from that question. So you have to learn these 15 questions. So it applies on all the test series I have told you. So please start test series, topic wise test series, then a completion of one subject, do full length sorry, not full subject, full length, I mean full subject test. So this is very important. Ravi Sir's test has been started already. I have seen one of his videos yesterday, but I don't know, if you are a registered student of an academic platform, then it's free obviously. If you are a registered student, then you should take his test, because I had taken his course previously. So every subject like P and DS, in his test series it was like P and DS. There I think 4 or 5 topic tests were there, topic wise tests were there, which are sufficient. They will have lot of questions, you will be able to solve those questions or not. Then you will have he has now started with video solution. I saw previously it was just solutions only. If you mail them, they will also reply. So, and a subject test. So like this, so P and DS like this, you will have to topic wise test 4 or 5, more than Made Easy. In Applied Gate also they have more the topic wise test, so it is also good, but it is starting from June. So but this May also, please do test series, don't wait for like July, August I will do, don't do that. Whenever this Applied Route starts, do that. Or you have, if you are registered student of an academy on academic platform, then you already have this test, so no need to worry here, then it is free to you. And Made Easy test series also they have started. So if you are a student of Made Easy, then I think, I don't know about Made Easy because I haven't taken any course there, so they are free or not, I don't know. So I will suggest you to start test series any all, and I will I'm pushing you to Made Easy test series, because day by day Gate is getting tougher, not tougher, but a bit trickier. So MedEasy test series is way harder. I used to feel that I always used to ignore the full length test. I'll like whatever marks I am going to get, I'll fail in this test. I used to get demotivated on all, but in GATE 2021 I saw these questions are tricky and lengthy, in like time bound. We have 3 hours, right? So you have to keep yourself cool and do everything. So I did my own mistakes. I will tell everything in whole and a separate video, but for now I am suggesting you please do text series. This is very important. You have to understand this. So all about this. So and now we are end of data structure, C and data structure. So hopefully you have liked my videos, or even if you found some problems, you do tell me. And if you loved watching my videos, I don't say this, but please do like, share, and with friends who are studying for GATE if you like my videos, and also subscribe. Please to subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and there is a bell icon. Please click on that so that you can get an update when I upload. So all about it. So good night. It's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. So I hope you are all safe and doing well. Thank you.